wonder how to add a notification bar on your Showit website? If we haven't met yet, I'm Emily, and I teach entrepreneurs just like you how to make website and tech work for you and not against you. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to add a notification bar just above your website, right above like that, just like I do have on my own website right here. Now to create that, you want to go to the page tab, then you have to select the three dots right here and add a blank canvas. Automatically it will go to the bottom of the canvas, the list I mean, and I'm going to just drag it right up. Now as you can see, it's a little on the fairly bigger size, and we want to shrink that. And to do so, you want to shrink it by using the arrows on the ruler side. You could also change the sizing just on your right hand side. Now we're going to do the same thing for the mobile. Alright, so I'm just going to switch it to the desk view only. And on the canvas, I'm going to change the background color. To do so, you have to go to the right hand side of your navigation tab, and it'll say canvas background. And from there, you want to select any color that you want. In my case, I'm going to use a slightly darker. From there, you want to add a text box. I'm going to use a paragraph format, and I'm going to add text right there. Now you can use any text that you want to promote. If you have a freebie or a course, or even want to select that you have available for your services, you can add it there.
Nicer.
And I'm going to change the font.
Okay, just a little bigger. And center it.
I'm going to use the arrow just to add an icon. To do so, you get your icon in the center right here, where it looks like a picture frame, and use icon. Now this is not the right size or the right shape, so I'm going to just change it to arrow.
Text a little, there we go, better. I'm going to center these items and center it to the canvas. Now, if you want this to be, I'm going to shrink it a little bit.
To have a link to it so that people can download your free guide, like it says here, you could select each item and do click actions. For this example, I'm going to say link to page, and the page I'm going to select is the contact page for this demo. I'm going to use that. Same thing for the text. Now let's see how it works. By selecting preview, it works. Now I want the banner to be on all pages. But first, I am going to turn this into a canvas view. To do so, you select the 3 dots and you go to convert to site canvas. As you can see, is there. Now I don't like the name, so we'll just rename it by double clicking and to rename canvas.
Yeah. And select.
And we are going to add on all pages that we want. By doing so, okay, to do so, you want to add a page or a notification page or a canvas page. You want to go to the 3 dots again and go from add from library. From there, you want to select notification bar and add. And then we'll just like put it right on top because it always adds to the bottom. Now, I just realized that I forgot to do the mobile version, so let's go back to the site canvas. And we're going to select and just edit from the site canvas, which is the beauty about it is that you could select all of them and edit each icon or text to your preference.
There we go.
And that's how you add a notification bar. That's about it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box below. And if you like this type of video, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you and have a good day. And I'll see you in the next video.